Let me Control F5 to load up the app. We'll be replacing element 5 with a text area. This is the default element 5. We'll turn it to a text area that returns everything red when clicking this button to this text area. Here, comment out the original element 5 and assign element 5 as a text area. This is just a Tkinter text object. Its master is also tied to root. Once you've done the element, specify the element location under layout. Element 5 by default is on row 2 and column 0. It is 2 column wide, so you see column span equals 2. Ctrl S, save it. Ctrl F5, run the app. Now you see the element 5 here. It's too wide. If you want to narrow it, come down to element 5, change the width to 20. Run it. It's much narrower. Let's change it to 40 and try 50 for height. It's much better now. We want contents to be printed to this area when we click Open File. So go back to Elements. This Open File is tied into this Open File function under Click Event. Instead of printing content to terminal, change it to element 5 dot delete 0 n. It's just like the combo box about delete everything inside an element, then element 5 dot insert till the end, and then insert the content, which is like this. Let's see. Ctrl S, Ctrl F5, click Open File. Just pick a text file, open it. Oops, got the bad index. Let's change delete to 1. Ctrl F5, try it again. Open File. Yup, it works. So for Open File, it should be 1 instead of 0. This is the content inside my text file. Now let me change element 6 to preview text. Element here, since it's a label already, we only need to change this to preview text. Then you see element 6 here. Let's get rid of this. Ctrl S, Ctrl F5 to run again. And you should see preview text here. It's not enough because we still need a button on element 7 to turn everything you see in element 5 into split lines. Let's do it next time.